Hi, I'm Joe, and I'm Rachel's makeup artist. One of my favorite lip glosses that I use for Rachel is Pat McGrath. The reason I like it is because, first off, the consistency. This has a good sponge that holds a lot of product on it. So when we're doing a quick, touch-up on set, I usually just hand it over to Rachel and just say, here.
Hi, I'm Patty. I'm Rachel's hairstylist. Everybody's loving dry shampoo right now, including myself, especially when you have long hair like this. You're not washing it every day. The Vino Rosewater and Chamomile, it smells delicious. It's really light, not cakey at all. It's not just for cleansing hair. It's good for volume. It's good for texture. It's good for giving a little lift. It's just pick-me-up in general.
I'm Kara, and I'm Rachel's stylist. The new brand that I love right now is Convalore. My belt's actually from them. It's Rachel Ray's new handbag and belt line. What makes Convalore really special is the leathers that Rachel uses. They're vegetable tanned Italian leathers, and they'll last forever.
Yay, team! I have not seen that tape. I didn't know what they were gonna suggest. That was my personal glam squad. I love them, they're dear friends. And I can't believe Minnie, our stylist, said my brand, Convalore. I'm also wearing this belt. My belt is also Convalore. Convalore means with valor. All of our leathers are completely natural, vegetable dyed and tanned, and they are Italian, just like half of me. Yay. Anyway, that was a fun surprise. I made the style show, yay. Oh, I wanted to mention, give me my card so I remember what I wanted to tell everybody. Oh yeah, this stuff, R&Co, I love that, gives my hair texture. And it's called Grid. I don't know why, and it shows like a power grid on the bottle. I like that. So
I like this new wild hair.
You like it, right?
Sexy.
It's good, right?
And less maintenance.
And less maintenance because my hair is curly. Oh, totally.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
I like it.
Plus,
It's
I let it
hot.
get a little crispy before we go in for the big blow dry.
Yeah, I love it. It's sexy. You know, I love that you guys are doing all this. This is the reason I started doing hair.